Yes. Okay, perfect. Good to see that, guys. There are some people who have done it, some people who don't. So I'm going to quickly go over what actually crypto is about and how it looks in our modern way and digital world. So basically what a crypto is, it's like a digital currency, right? That's pretty much it. And what's the difference between what's the difference between regular fiat currencies and crypto and for example bank transfers is crypto is super simple and easy to use for us, for people, right? I'm gonna just one example. For example, you have a grandmother living in I don't know, Australia, and you're in Latvia, right? With bank transfer, if you wanted to send her the money, it would take approximately 2 3 business days, multiple banks, multiple bridges, right? Multiple commission fees and stuff like that, and it's going to take some long time to get that money actually there. But with crypto, the power kind of comes back to us, and we're able to do this super quickly. You can literally send money to anywhere in the world in just a few seconds. Few seconds, pay a little bit of fee depending on the network you're sending on, and that's pretty much it. And that is only one of the things why crypto has gained its popularity in the recent years, because it's of its ease of use. There are of course many things, like for example, you don't need any like uh, storage, like which is physical, right? You just hold it onto your digital wallet. Then for example, Bitcoin is already nowadays considered as a possible legitimate investment opportunity, because there's an actual value there, an actual blockchain, what we know behind there. So yeah, and what I have open with you guys here, we're going to look a quick overlook about the cryptocurrency market, so we understand where we are, and is it already gone, or is there some room for us still to get in, stuff like that. So what I have open here is the crypto total market cap, which means basically this is the total amount of wait, hang on, I'm going to perfect like this. This is the total amount of money we have here, like in the cryptocurrency market, right? For example, now we're sitting on 2 point approximately $46 trillion, and we can see we made the high on the last bull run in in the 2021, which was almost yeah, hit 3 trillion, right? So we can see, as we saw Bitcoin make a new all-time high recently, probably we all know about it, right? We made a new all-time high, but the crypto total market cap is not up there yet. So what that means is the Bitcoin has grown insanely over the last couple of months. We can see it made a gain of like insane gains. Like, but if we go, for example, check other big coins, for example, Ethereum. For example, yeah, Ethereum, we have like still some space left for the all-time high. Then we also can check with Solana, right? Also a big currency. We still have some space. That's the first thing. So other coins are not moving as fast as well as the moment. Bitcoin is growing more rapidly than the others. So we still have some space in that area. Next thing I want to talk about not this, sorry, about Bitcoin as a general asset, for like in general like assets with stocks, with precious metals and stuff like that. We can already see that we are at nine. We're at nine, and the market cap is not totally up yet. Yeah, Bitcoin made a new high, but we're already at nine, and Bitcoin is still considered to be a new asset. Gold has been here like forever, right? That's why he's the first, and he's an actual like a real life asset, which has been used for many decades, centuries. But yeah, Bitcoin is already nine with the market cap, as we said, like $0.33 trillion. Then we have some known stocks as in Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia. So what that means for us is Bitcoin is adopting and creating this type of momentum, that people are taking it more and more serious by the day. Because how can you have, sorry, I have to let some more people in. Yeah, that's no problem. How can we consider this asset non-legit when you have this kind of market cap? That is insane. and Bitcoin is only been here since 2011, 2012. That's a little bit over than 10 years. And because this rapid growth, people are starting actually to look at it differently. And one thing I'm going to talk about is why people are starting to look at it differently and considering a more legitimate asset. Okay, I want to involve you or more guys in the conversation. So I want to check with you. How many have you ever heard about a Bitcoin ETF? One in the chat if you have heard what that is, and if not, then a two, please. Okay, one, some twos, ones. Okay, a bunch of people have known, some people don't. Okay, I'm gonna go over it really quickly what that is and what that means. So a Bitcoin ETF, pretty much, it got approved like a few months ago already, and Bitcoin has grown rapidly since then. But the thing about it is, basically, in simple terms, it allows big investors, big companies to buy it even more on more legitimate scale, let's say, and they can check the prices whenever they like on their current and their exchanges and stuff like that. So basically, this means more money from big institutions flowing into the BTC. And it's been already a couple of $1 billion that have more flown into the market just because of this approval, because such companies as BlackRock and Grayscale now have the opportunity to go even more, and they buy up their positions. So that means the price of Bitcoin is rising as well. And I want to show you, for example, with as we talked about, we talked about gold a little bit, and gold also got its ETF approved, which basically is the same thing. Big investors were able to come in, right? Gold ETF got approved at 2004. And let's see, it got approved here. And now we're here. Bitcoin made a new all-time high just yesterday. I was watching the charts. It was quite funny. But like, yeah, it made around 2,200, a little bit above that. So we're already a little bit here. This is a little bit outdated picture. This is just to see. But yeah, gold is pretty much already here. So we can see the insane growth after the ETF. Okay, of course, it took us now 20 years to get there. But it's still okay. That's not so much. And for the Bitcoin, as I saw the chart, but yeah, we had our approval here, and then we made a new high. So we already seen this growth here, and we still have much room we could potentially go up to. This is one of the events that has already happened, and which is quite big, because as I said, more money is going in the market every single day. Every single day, these big institutions, big companies are putting their money into specifically Bitcoin ETFs, because it's made right now for them. It's super easy. When the Bitcoin ETF wasn't approved, it was a little bit tricky for them to add large positions on a daily basis. With the ETF approval, it's much easier for them and much more flexible. Next event, I want to talk about you because this is the year in cryptocurrency market full of events. I want to talk about one thing real quick, which is called a Bitcoin halving. I'm gonna again need some interaction with you guys. One in the chat if you have heard about the Bitcoin halving, and two if not. Okay, once. Okay, definitely more people. Once. Some twos. Okay. So I'm gonna still explain it, of course. So basically, Bitcoin halving, what it means is Bitcoin's available to mine. The supply gets cut in half. Pretty much, the supply gets cut in half, right? For example, yeah, the first halving happened on the 2012, right? And we already saw this happen, right? So basically, what that means is there are miners like who with programs and like computers like mine the Bitcoin, right? That's how it's made. They find it on the digital ecosystem. They find these Bitcoins, and now before the halving, they're able to mine. I think one per day. It's one per day, pretty much on average. Of course, depends on place and the mining and stuff like that. But pretty much they can mine only one. What that means for the upcoming Bitcoin halving we have in 1 month, it's gonna get cut in half. So the miners are not gonna be able anymore to mine one Bitcoin per day. It's gonna be 0.5. And what that means basically for any business, right? If there's something if there's less of something, people want it more. If the supply is not that much and supply is getting more and more less, right? The people want it more because there's not that much, and the halving is going to keep continuing when we get to the 21 million BTC that we can get. That's all we're going to get. For 7 billion people, we're going to get 21 million BTC. That's all. We're going to keep on doing the halvings until we're going to hit the 21, and then pretty much that's all. So that's something to think about, because yeah. And what I want to share with you, some of the price action we have had since like Bitcoin halvings in the past. So for example, as I said, the first one happened on the 2012, and Bitcoin was trading around $12 at the time, and then it jumped already to 229, and then we made our first thousand. We can see in the chart clearly here we made some growth, and that's because of the halving, because the Bitcoin supply got cut in half pretty much. So the second halving happened on the July 9th of 2016. So the halving occurs every 4 years, right? And yes, pretty much we can see we started at $640 and we skyrocketed to 19,000. That is quite something, and it actually it didn't take that much time for it, like a year. It did that in like a year. Let's check what it did on next May 11, 2020. This is where the Bitcoin was a little bit more popular already, because it was trading already at around 8.6 thousand. But we can see what had it done. Pretty much we made a new all-time high here at around 60,000, 63,000. Then we crashed a little bit, that's okay. And then we made a new all-time high, which was the 2021. And we topped out at, yeah, at 60, 67, 68-ish K. So we can see the history tells us, for us this information, right? And what is happening and what could we see, of course. But the past, we have to make sure that we don't look in the past too much, because events sometimes can get like changed, right? They always don't go the exact way. This time it's also a little bit different because we're already insanely high in the market, and we see what this gives us. But what I wanted to say about this, it's there's still insane amount of room. We're still early in this, because Bitcoin ETF got approved just a few months ago. Gold has been approved since like 20 years ago, and we see already making new all-time highs. Like now every almost every day it breaks a new high. That's how it goes. And in the crypto, we're still a little early, right? As we saw at the start, the market cap, we have some space to grow. We have the halving coming up. Basically the supply gets cut in half and the miners have more, like 50% less to mine per day. So basically what that means for us people in general, audience, right, who know about the Bitcoin halving, they're gonna want it more. When there's less of something, you want it more, and that's how it goes. Pretty much, yeah. That's a quick overview of where we are in the cryptocurrency market and what have we coming up here. I definitely say we have some still space to go, and we're still early in this. We're really early in this. Bitcoin, still people are not adopting as quickly. Some people are still calling it a scam out there, the Bitcoin and whatever. And we can see like already the big institutions adapting. Already some governments are implementing in their payments and stuff like that. You can already pay with Bitcoin someplace, and people are adapting it. And what we have to know is that we're early and nothing is missed, and we just need to be glad that we have this opportunity right in front of our hands. We just need to be smart enough how to use it, when to use it, and what to do with it, right? And on this note, I would like to introduce the next speaker. He's a guy from Australia, my business partner, been in the business for some time now, almost 2 years, 1.5 years for now, doing trading. Yeah, pretty much, Ryan. Yeah, I agree with you. Sorry, I just read a comment. But yeah, to introduce Mitch, he's from Australia, been in business for some time now already, doing trading. Also recently started network marketing side of the business. And I'm really glad to work with this guy because he's some great knowledge in the world of trading, and he definitely has something to share with you guys. So I'm gonna give up the stage to the Mitch. Okay, the stage is yours.
What's up, guys? Can you all hear me? All good? Just drop a one in the chat if you can hear me. Cool. So yeah, a bit about me. I'm obviously Mitch. I'm 25. I'm an electrician. So I've been investing into the stock market and crypto market for some time now. Last bull run, I got lucky. I made some profits, but come this bull run, I didn't know like how to repeat that process. So I knew I had to learn in the bear market on like how I can educate myself, how I can make profits. Um, yeah, so I'm more prepared for the this upcoming bull run, which I've joined this business about a year and a half ago now. Um, and yeah, obviously how I learned this is through a platform called iGenius, which I'll share my screen and show you a bit about the platform and the products and how you can learn about the crypto market, the SK and all that too. Uh, so just give me a sec, guys. How do I share my screen? Can you all see my screen, guys? Uh, where is it? I can't see it. I can. Oh god. Sorry, guys. I can't. I'm just struggling to work this out. Oh god. Hey, Christus, can you help me out here for a sec? If you can unmute yourself.
Yeah, no problem. Just go to it was loading for you already. Go to just share screen and share desktop, pretty much.
Share desktop.
Yeah, it was loading
So
for you already, and you just click it off. That's okay. Yeah, just share the
yeah,
screen again.
yeah, cool. So can you all see this, guys? Yeah, okay. Uh, yeah, okay. So how you can obviously this is the platform iGenius. So obviously we got the university here, which will teach you all about the financial market, so forex, stocks, and in particular crypto as well, which is obviously the up and coming bull run coming up. So now's the time to obviously educate yourself if you haven't already. If you have no idea, this will teach you everything from a complete beginner. And my internet's real slow at the moment. Don't know why. Yeah. Yeah. So anyway, the university will teach you from a complete beginner level with short videos from like 3 to 20 minute videos, right up to like advanced level, expert level, so you can be more educated and make smart investments. Um, yeah, and obviously become an independent investor and trader and put your money to work. So this is obviously the platform here. So you got like crypto here. So obviously you got your crypto basics, which goes through the history, the gains, losses, and then you got right through to your advance. Um, so yeah, obviously we got short videos like this, which oh my god. Yeah. So then after obviously you go through this the university section and learn the basics and all that, you move on to like the learn live. So if you're someone like myself, who learns hands-on, like me being an electrician, I'm always a hands-on learner. I was real crap in school. You go and let the learn live sessions with the educators, with the experts, and you can learn from these guys like Anthony, who's a seven-figure investor who very educated in the crypto market as well. So you have multiple languages here. You can select any topic. So you got like your SK system, your crypto, obviously forex and all that too. And then you jump on live sessions with like Dave or Anthony or all these other like experts here, like in the crypto market. And yeah, so obviously these live sessions goes through, like they're all recorded as well. So if you can't make the live session, then you can watch it in your time whenever suits you. So if you're sleeping or working or whatever and you miss the live session, you just jump on the recording and watch the recording. Keep up to date with the market. Keep up to date what's happening in the crypto space, and forex and all that as well. And obviously to then learn how to become an independent trader, like day trader or swing trader, or yeah, just a smart investor. You can learn the skill of like the SK system, where we can predict the turning areas as well. Yeah, I don't know why my internet's so slow, guys. Anyway, so we got like the SK system and like the sequelizer as well. So obviously we got a Telegram channel where like Stefan Casting, who's the founder of the SK system, who's our head of education, he'll post in like trade ideas as well with the analysis. So to help us learn as well, we can learn this through the live sessions as well, learn how to analyze the charts ourselves, learn how to trade crypto ourselves, learn how to look for good entries and exit plans when it comes to investing in the crypto market, as well as obviously stocks and forex as well. Yeah, so obviously that's the SK. And then we also have like the Endotech as well, which is our crypto automation. Uh, yeah, so we have our crypto automation as well, which is Endotech. And obviously, as we all know, AI is taking over the world, and AI is here to stay basically. So it's just made sense now to get into to use AI to our advantage, use it for the upcoming bull run, and have AI trade for ourselves. Yeah, obviously, Endotech's very good. Helps us earn while we learn. Helps us to invest. Invest while we're learning the system. Just obviously, it does take time to learn how to trade yourself. It does take time to learn how to invest by yourself and make smart entries and smart exits and all that too. As well as we do our copy pasting rules too. Why is my videos? Yeah. So as well as we do have 35 experts as well who has their own Telegram channel that will send in our like trade ideas as well and investment ideas in the crypto space. So while we're learning the SK system, we can follow along with the experts and copy, like leverage their expert, like their knowledge, and obviously help while we learn as well, which is very good as well, especially if you're new to the market and don't know too much. Obviously, it's a great tool to get into the market and see experts results if you use the proper risk management. Obviously, and if you don't have any idea about risk management, it teaches you all in the university as well. So so that's obviously a bit about the platform as well. As well as in the chat as well, can learn about NFTs as well, and binary options as well. So binary options it's time-based trading. So it's where you say you predict the market whether to go up or down on a particular time frame. So let's say 4 minutes, you go for a buy. At the end of that time, if your prediction's right, then you get a payout. That's binary options there. So it's a short-term gains as well. So hard skill to learn, but once you can learn the skill, it's quick money as well. And also NFTs, you can learn all about that in the university section. Learn live as well by some of our educators as well, who's been in this industry for several years as well, who's going to say amount of knowledge as well. So that's a bit about the platform. And obviously like with the Bitcoin, so I've currently last week and this week as well, I kind of took two trades like for short positions as well. So sell options. Both of them obviously take profit. So I do believe that we are coming down in the Bitcoin price. So I do believe there's going to be a good buying opportunity soon before the price increases again. So there's definitely more another chance to buy into it if you did miss out back when it was down to 16K, 24K, 25K, whatever. Yeah, so definitely an opportunity coming up in the near future, I guess. That being said, I'll pass it back over to Prestus and he'll introduce the next speaker. Uh, yeah, there you go.
Perfect. Thank you, man. Thanks for the value. Thanks for showing us the platform. Obviously some internet problems, but that's okay, guys. Happens to the best of us. Happens to all of us. That's no problem. Mitch still killed it. Taught us some good things about it. And I would like to introduce the next speaker. He's our male Latvian leader. Been in business for almost a year now. Has qualified for two whole trips, in from the network marketing business. And in few days, he's heading over to Thailand with the team to celebrate achievements and build connections, do some content, learning sessions together with our educators and stuff like that. So definitely a guy worth listening to. He's gonna explain the other side of the business. So Carlis, the stage is yours.
Perfect, perfect. So, hello, guys. Can you hear me? So, drop someone if you can hear me. Sound good and well. Perfect, perfect. All right. Yeah. First, I just wanted to come on here and tell you that I have massive respect to all of you guys that you joined here because in Latvia it's midday. In Australia, it's late evening. And we all have some things to do in our everyday life. So big respect to all of you guys that you're here today to learn some new info. And as well, thanks to Christers about the perfect explaining about crypto and where we are now. Is it too late to get in? And as well for Mitch, because he introduced for you guys the platform where you can learn all this information. Because as we all know, information changes situation. Because if there's two people who are in the same position, but one knows information, another don't, then it's I think completely obvious that the person who knows the information is gonna be a better position sooner or later, because he will know how to use this information. So yeah, big respect to all of you guys. And my part today is just to explain you guys the other side of the business, because how Mitch showed to all of you guys, there is an educational platform where you can learn all about the biggest financial markets, crypto, stocks, NFTs, binary, forex, anything you want. So there is as well the other side, which is called network marketing. And as we all know, in trading, investing, in general, or at the end of the day, you will need some capital to trade with, right? You can't just trade with I don't know, rocks, or other things. But you need some real money, and usually people don't have those, I don't know, maybe 300, maybe $3,000 to trade with, and it's like sometimes a problem with that, right? So there is a thing called network marketing where you can make this money a little bit, I would say, faster than in trading, because of course in trading you need to learn the skill set, which takes time, of course, right? You can't learn just in one week or 1 month. You're not going to be master in all these topics, right? You will need some time. But in network marketing, you can make this money faster. So after that, this money can invest into trading side. So that's how it comes together. And yeah, basically, there's nothing complicated in this side of the business, because the main thing you do is just promote this business to other people, right? Because I can name some example. For example, in our everyday life, let's say we go to the cinema. Yeah, we watch some new movie which come out, right? And we go to the movie. We like it. We think it was the best movie we have ever watched. And of course, we're gonna go home. We're gonna tell our family. We're gonna tell our friends that, okay, I watched that movie. It was perfect. It was incredible. It was outrageous, and you should definitely see this, right? We promote this for free because we just go and tell guys, come on, let's see the movie. It was perfect, and you do this in everyday life, but in this place, why don't do this if you can get paid for this, right? You can just promote this opportunity, promote this platform to other people which are interested in this, so you can help them to start. Yeah, you can help them to join and learn about trading, investing, or do the network marketing as well. How everyone likes, because here there is, how I said, two ways how you can do the business, and it's up to you. There's no obligatory things to do. You can do marketing, you can do trading, investing. It's up to you, and no one's gonna say, "Oh, go promote the business, talk with people, and share this opportunity." No one's gonna do say you to that, right? Because it's up to you how you would like to do it. You can do it, and a little bit about bonuses. Christos, maybe actually you can let me share screen a little bit. First, I said you I will not need share screen, but I found some good materials I would like to show you guys. So I don't know, just just give me the host. Thank you. I'm just gonna share a little bit and share actually some really important information, because I just wanted to clarify and show you all the guys that iGenius at the end of the day is not some kind of registered investment advisor or broker dealer. We are just educational platforms where you can learn how to trade, how to invest in cryptocurrencies, futures, stocks, indexes, and all the other financial markets, right? And of course, past performance is not indicative of future results, right? And you don't need to be distributor to purchase iGenius products. So it's really important thing to understand that at the end of the day, it's just educational platform where you can learn, where you can learn the skill set, learn all the important things. So you know the information, so you can position yourself in upcoming bull run, upcoming crypto halving. Because lately I have met some people that say, Carlos, I bought some Bitcoin. I was like, why? Why the hell you bought Bitcoin right now? and that just shows people do what the mass is doing, right? And that they need this information. So this is the place where you can get it. And the other thing I wanted to show you, especially about marketing, of course, it's some. Oh, I can go out of this presentation. Why it's not letting me go out? What's happening? Okay, let's do it the other way. Yeah, there's all the product, of course, Mitch introduced you to, and all the benefits about the platform. And I just wanted to share you, a little bit about this bonus plan, because of course in marketing you can get some money out of it, because you promote it, you do this all the hard work, you talk to people, you use your own time to promote this, and of course you are getting something back, right? And so okay, I'm just gonna click it, and there is a lot of bonuses you can like qualify, you can get, of course. Then like most popular bonuses are fast start and rapid fire bonuses, which means that fast start bonuses is the amount of money you can get one time when you like enroll a new member, right? And in this, next slide, we can see that fast start bonus is just bonus you get one time when you enroll a new member, and it pays you out this exact number. But what I really want to show you is that, of course, I think a lot of you can understand this our platform. Of course, there is some things, and there is some subscription you will need to pay to get all the information, to get all the knowledge, all the expert access, all the access to experts, right? You will need to pay something, some subscription. And what I want to show is that you actually can learn and get this access for free, and how it's possible. It's with a little bit with help from network marketing, because all you need to do is enroll for enrollment, and there is this bonus called rapid fire, which means every time a person renews their subscription, you get some kind of amount of money. So it's $25. So, and if you get 4 of people who renews their subscription, together it's gonna be 100, and it's gonna cover the subscription, the monthly payment. And Krista is gonna show you all the packages, all the ways how you can join, how you can be a part of this community, a part of this platform, all this. And he's gonna explain you a little bit more. But this is a good way how you can actually learn all this for free, just to at first show this opportunity to 4 people. They all renew their monthly packages, and you can learn all this for free, which is a perfect way how to start this business if you think you don't have money, right? Because of course there is a lot of things to spend our money, but every day let's just understand and remember that it's all about priorities, right? Because we can spend our money on I don't know, some other things which are probably not gonna give us value and not gonna help us build our financial future, right? And it's all about priorities. I know we all have some money to spend, and at the end of the day, it's all your like decision where you spend your money. So yeah, that's basically, I think, it for me. I really wanted to thank you again that you come on here today to join this webinar. And yeah, I'm giving the host and the stage back to Christers. Thank you, guys. See you in the next webinar.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Carlos, for explaining the other side of the business as well, because it's actually really important. Because in trading, for us to be legitimate traders, investors, we need a large amount of capital, right? We can't expect to go in with $100 in trading and be $10,000 earners a month in like few weeks time. That ain't gonna happen. That's just not gonna happen. That's not how it goes. And the nice part about it is the network marketing allows you to actually, yes, build up your capital, build up some cash flow for you, which you can invest into trading. 15 up to but yeah, that's a really nice opportunity how to generate more cash flow for yourself, and how you can, yeah, pretty much use the product. You like the product, and then you just share it with others, right? People who like it and stuff like that. And one quick little nugget, let's say, I wanted to share something with you guys, is that when it comes to crypto and deciding about where we are in the market and what do we want to do. Wait, is my connection okay? Sorry, I just want to ask one question. Can you drop some ones in the chat if my connection is okay? It thought it lagged some for me. Okay, perfect. Thank you very much, guys. Yeah, just thought it lagged. But okay, yeah, so let to get back at it. The thing about the crypto markets and investments is that from my personal experience, as Carl's already mentioned, we have to go against the masses, against what other people say, because let's look at this, look at that way. When Bitcoin made the new high at the 69ish K, right, in the 2021, we crashed all the way down to around 15K. And then what were the main selling points in Bitcoin, and what were we seeing in the news? What were others telling us? Bitcoin is a scam. It never is gonna go up. It crashed. It's a bubble and stuff like that. When people are talking like this and when there's blood on the streets, that's when you want to get in. That's when the prices are the lowest, because when people want to invest when things are good, when there's certainty. But actually, if you would have made proper research about Bitcoin, about bullish and bear markets, and it just was a regular bearish market, economy was not doing so well, the COVID had been hit, and every single thing what people were saying about crypto was that it was a scam because it crashed. Okay, yeah, it's a huge volatility relating to other assets such as stocks and stuff like that, because Bitcoin can move like 12-15% in a day, and that's okay. Yeah, that's why people are a little bit scared of that, but that's okay. That's what we have to know, because this is already, like as I said, such new thing comparing to others, right? And there's gonna be volatility there. But yeah, my main point about this, you have to go against the grain. You have to go, like, people are going like this, you go like this, you go completely the other way. Because when there's blood on the streets, that's when you, as I said, you want to invest, you want to build up your portfolio, you want to get in at that time. Because I even, like, I didn't have that much capital like 2.5-3 years ago when the crypto was down. I would have, bro, if I had like the access to I have now. Imagine Solana, for example. Last week, I don't know, it made insanely new highs. I was looking at Solana 2.5 years ago, was $9. Now it's around like fucking, I don't know. Sorry for my language, but insane. Like when there's, as I said, when the market is red, that's when you want to go in. When people are fearful, you have to be greedy. And when people and the general public right now is starting to get greedy, we all we see right now is in the news. We have Bitcoin new all-time high, Bitcoin this coming, Bitcoin there, Bitcoin that. And when there's also such a huge noise around certain thing in the streets, on the news, we have to think about why there is that. And when people are greedy, we have to be a little bit fearful, because the biggest there is like the biggest event that's happening at Bitcoin is only going to be happening for the fourth time. As I said, the halving is coming right up. It's just a few days ago, in even less than a month left in that. So there's noise, there's a lot of noise, and there's going to be, definitely, mark my words, there could be definitely some opportunities for us to get in. Bitcoin, as already we see, is fluctuating. It could like 10-15% a day, crashing down to like, it crashed down to like 62K already. It could go even more with all the news and stuff. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys, because be ready just for any opportunity that may arise you, because as I said, we're still early. This is still a good spot to go in, because this is an asset we're going to view for a long time. It has a general use for it. It's not like some other meme coins. We're not talking here about of Pepe or I don't care. Okay, they made insane gains, but those are just meme coins. That is not serious. And yeah, Bitcoin still has so much to grow. And yeah, as I said already, people are now starting to get greedy. So we're gonna get some opportunities, definitely, because as these news arise, the market's gonna become even more volatile, and there's gonna be opportunity for us. Yes, definitely, Ryan. With hype comes correction. Definitely, perfect. Well said. Yes, pretty much summarize what I was trying to say. So that's a little bit of value I wanted to give at the last moment for you guys. And if this interested you, right, and you're interested in cryptocurrency market or platform in general and learning stuff like this, as Carlos already mentioned, of course, it's not for free, because there are a lot of experts, a lot of people that need to get like the proper education and teaches these things. So there are a few packages you can choose from if you're interested and want to get started, right? Usually people start, of course, with the bigger one, because it includes everything, every single automation. We have SK live share option, which is basically 1v1 opportunity to get on a get on a learning session with an expert. That's the main package people usually go with, because yeah, it has pretty much everything. But of course, it's a little bit more than the others. If your money situation not so good, or don't want to do this right now, if people try like choice for 1 month just to see how it is, right? It's only $99, which like gives you access to university, learn live, money pro, which is basically all the base things you need. And then you can, whenever you want, you can just pay the difference and upgrade to any other packages, right? We have select, which comes more like together the crypto, everything about crypto, like crypto signal groups and crypto talk, as I said in the chat earlier, with our expert Anthony Napolitano, where we like examine the market 2 times a week and check possible investment opportunities for us, and where we could get into the market. What are some interesting coins we should be taking a look at that has actually some applications that can go through well, and has some nice future for ahead of it. And yeah, pretty much, yeah, as I said, people usually start with elite, but there's also, you can also start try 1 month, few months for slower package, like lesser packages, like just to get to know the platform and then upgrade. Yeah, pretty much that's about the pricing. And yeah, sorry, hang on. Oh yeah. And about the crypto, that's pretty much it. What I wanted to say, the main base points. Just yeah, go against that what other people think, right? For example, I was quite surprised last week. My father called me like just out of the blue and asked me what about the crypto, and that's when I knew there's some possibility that I should take profits, because if my father, my grandfather, and grandmother are hearing about the crypto, the noise has come even to them, then it's maybe time to book some profits, because there could be some plummets coming, as we saw Bitcoin crashing at 15% and stuff like that. So be on the lookout. Just be on the lookout. That's pretty much it. And that's, I think, everything for today. I want to say big thanks to you guys for joining in today. We're going to do these webinars more for all the gentlemen and connect with you guys, just to answer any questions you have and just build a nice male community who are ready to get into this and want to be better and grind every day, and definitely get back to the person who invited you for more info if you have. And can't wait to see you guys on the team. And that's it for today. Have a blessed day, everyone, and see you on the next one, guys. Thank you very much for joining. See ya.